At the time when I'm recording this video, ChatGPT has just made studying easier. Now you don't need your teacher to come in front and help you for studying any topic, because ChatGPT have launched this study mode that help you to understand literally any subject, any topic and any question, making you understand the concept. OpenAI sat down with expert and teachers and made this feature available for free Pro and Plus users. So even if you don't have the subscription, you can still use this feature. So let's move to the screen and I will show you out how this actually works. In case you haven't subscribed my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my screen. Let's onboard this new feature called Study Mode. And believe me or not, this feature is made for students who want to build concepts, not just getting the straight answers, because yes, ChatGPT has been used by students for getting the straight answers for any question. Yes, it's helpful in many times. I have used it, so I can say yes, it's helpful. But there are so many times when you want to just clear your concept, and at this point this mode actually helps. Now let's understand how it works. So first, it don't just give you the straight answer. So if you ask any question, it won't give you the straight answer. It first clarify few points like which grades are you in, or what knowledge you have, do you know about that concept or not. If you know that concept, then it will ask you a few questions, you have to give the answers, then it will move forward, and slowly you will build the concept around that topic instead of just getting the straight answers. Now here you can see something like this happening in this video, but let me show you direct by what I have done before. This is the question I asked ChatGPT in study mode, and there's nothing I have used, right? So in study mode, I asked, I am in class 10, help me understand polynomials. Now what does ChatGPT do here is that first is help understand one concept, that is what is polynomial, then given me an example. Along with it also checked if I know, like if I understood the concept or not, by asking me this quiz. And after giving the answer for this quiz, when I given the wrong answer, it not just told me why this answer is wrong, but also given me the explanation, but also given the reason for other options as well, which is possibly not happening in this normal mode where I asked the same question and I got a complete bunch of things. It's like I know everything and I need a quick revision. Now one thing is clear, ChatGPT is giving two different responses, and in study mode it's very easy to understand that it's trying to make you understand the basic concept very clear. And in the other one, you see, if you ask anything, ChatGPT will give you a response, and that response will contain examples, related topics that are necessarily aligned to it, so that you understand the topic well, which you have asked for. And if you're trying to learn something, you need a very less information, and there's a thing called cognitive overload. When there are so many things written on a screen, you won't be able to understand anything from that, or you will grasp only less amount of data from it. But if you start with a very small point and slowly learn with small bits of data, you will learn it effectively. And that's what you see in this study mode as well. Now, I have used one normal ChatGPT mode, that is explain a topic to me, but I'm going to tweak it into explain AI to me. I want just an explanation. And I will ask a normal ChatGPT about explain AI to me. I asked here, I will ask in study mode as well. Alright, let's explore artificial intelligence together, because I have told it that I am in class 10th. Now it is using that memory here. So telling a nice and easy, since you are in class 10, I will build you what you like. So you can, just modify your grades, in which grade you are in, what is your age, and how much you understand that topic. First, what do you think intelligence means? Now, before getting straight into AI, what is AI? It helped me understand what an intelligence means. For a class 10th student, it's something like a very difficult concept to understand what is artificial intelligence, where it just says artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that aim to make machine behave intelligently like human. This means so it just gives me a complete, data at straight with examples, how it works, some real life example, types of AI, key technologies in AI, and is AI dangerous, like things. But just look at here. In study and learn mode, not just you understand what is intelligence, you will understand what AI is. And in that AI, you will, all the key concepts for us, for our 10th grader, for us, someone who wanted to understand that concept. Now you see the simple example here. Have you ever used Google Translate, YouTube recommendation, or Face ID on your phone? Those all use AI. Think of AI as a student. Quick check. Not just it told me few examples, but it also checking if I really understand that concept or not. How interesting it is if you're someone who wanted to build a concept. Now at this moment I'm not convinced. So I just tried one topic that was part of my syllabus in BTech in computer networks. So I, just put down that question and I told that differentiate between guided and unguided transmission media. Putting the same prompt in AI mode and no AI mode and just normal ChatGPT, you will see for both I have maintained the context, right? I am pursuing this and I know very less about this topic, this subject, and this also I told this one as well. Now in the both situation, what I found is that in both condition, it, first told me, okay, what is transmission media, but it's straight toward the topic and telling me what is guided transmission, giving me understanding of it, giving me examples, telling me the key features, then getting straight to the unguided transmission media, then same for that as well. And there is a comparison table. I can say it's great because I have maintained the context. It's giving me good so far. But what about study and learn mode? Is it doing the same thing? So we are checking here is the first thing that we got here. First, we first got the idea about what is transmission media, what is guided media, giving a very simple example like twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and also where this cable is being used. So you're not just getting the understanding of where and what, you're also understanding the core concept, like what, okay, where these things are actually working. Then you get the, concept again, unguided media, the examples. No features altogether, but you see it into a quick comparison table. So there's no multiple tables here. So if you remember, we have key feature ka table, then we have again key feature ka table for the unguided media, then we have a comparison table. So there are more table here, and it all makes me feel overwhelmed because I have more data here. But for this one, I have very less data, written in a very simple format, and also given me one table at a time so that I can first grasp the concept. Okay, at this moment and any time, if I didn't understand what it means and what is this topic is about, I can ask to it, because yes, it's a study and learn mode. I can ask my confusion anytime. Now it just asked me to give me one example each. I have just used a vague example here, but it also helped me to understand that yes, that was right, and it could be written in this way. And that's the best part, right? And also not, I am getting an option to, even tell, okay, I have another quiz here so that I can answer and I can, justify if I have learned the right thing or not. Even if I make the mistake, it will again help me. How about it? Like, it was really great. No? Make sure you use it. Make sure you try it once. And let me know in the comments if you really liked this one or not.